Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Escape screen. Infotainment systems can sometimes freeze or become unresponsive, which is quite frustrating. A quick reset can often resolve these common glitches, restoring your screen's functionality and improving overall system performance. We will cover both soft and master reset methods to get your system running smoothly again in just a few simple steps. The first method is a soft reset, which is great for minor glitches and won't delete your saved settings. To perform this, locate your radio's power button, usually in the center of the volume knob, and the Seek Right button. Press and hold both of these buttons simultaneously for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. The screen will go black, then the Ford logo will reappear, indicating a successful soft reboot. If a soft reset doesn't resolve your issue, a master reset might be necessary. Be aware that this will erase all personal data, including paired phones and navigation favorites. To do this, tap Settings on your screen, then select General. Scroll down and choose Reset, then Factory Reset or Master Reset. Confirm your choice, and the system will reboot to its original factory settings. After any reset, allow your Ford Escape's infotainment system a few minutes to fully restart and load. If you performed a master reset, you will need to repair your mobile phone and re-enter any personalized settings or navigation favorites. If the screen issues persist after these steps, consider checking for available software updates. For complex or ongoing problems, it is always best to consult a Ford dealership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.